I'm Kelly. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to do a fantastical holiday eye look. So now we're going to apply some eyeliner. We're going to use a really nice bright shade of purple. We want to make sure that we have a nice sharp point. We're going to warm up the pencil slightly to our body temperature so it will glide on a lot smoother. Close for me. We're going to start at the outer corner. We're going to make a little bit of a thicker line on the outer corner and lift it ever so slightly. And then we're going to keep it really thin towards the inner corner, just using light strokes. If you look up for me. And we're just going to do it really thin on the lower lash line. We're going to connect with the line on the upper lash line. And we're just going to apply a little bit to the inner corner. Turn your head. Look up for me. Close for me one more time.